I wanted to be fucking cold. Okay. So we're done bathing. It's very warm, very warm. I'm gonna use this immediately so that I'm gonna begin to so guys, I'm really trying out the product from Kels. I'm sure this thing will you guys that this my pet, this my child pet was really very smooth for me. I'm already talking about skincare. That's really how good I'm feeling. We are barely 24 hours. I gave birth. Barely 24 hours, and I feel so good. So I'm using this Kels what is it called? Facial cleansing. I'm trying it out. So that's the smaller one. So it's just that facial toner. I'm using it with the Quarks vitamin C serum with what's it called? Cause niacinamide. It's called niacinamide. And this is one very cheap moisturizer, but the bigger container is at home. Remember, it's just a pack. Yeah, so this is what it is. This is just this is Fenty Beauty moisturizing cream, but the bigger container is at home. This one has shimmer in it. There we go. That's what I use at the moment. Yeah, God is good. I'm sure you all know God is good. I'm barely 24 hours and can do both, but I still have to be careful. Don't abuse. I still have to be careful not to abuse the body, no matter how much strong I feel that I am right now. So we usually have many of these in the hotel. We're gonna be after giving birth, so we have many of this there. This is the previous one I took out, and we have many of this, just for the mother to feel comfortable while breastfeeding, as someone that just have, I just gave birth, comfortable while breastfeeding, while sleeping. So it's like a changing way for you. You don't even need to bring clothes to be changing aside the clothes you wear when you're going. So guys, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna feed my baby. So good morning guys. So after the kids left yesterday, I was not able to continue the video because I was so tired. And this is morning. Baby is sleeping a bit and you can hear her voice, but we didn't sleep throughout the night. You know how babies are with sleeping routine. And my kids, I don't think they're coming today because the wahala they gave yesterday that they came is on top notch. They are struggling to carry the baby. They will not listen, they will not relax. So it's over 24 hours I gave birth. Today is day 2. We are running to 48 hours, but this is still morning, and we're going to wait till, like I said, 3 days before we check out of the hotel, because when you finish giving birth, they put you in a hotel just to monitor the baby, do necessary blood tests, check jaundice and other things before you go home, just to make sure the baby is safe hands, and you as the mother as well is also fine before you leave. So we're going to 48 hours in this room. So I just went downstairs to get a breakfast to eat, and I will show you guys what I brought. So this is the breakfast I went to go and pick. I just picked roughly everything on that table, if I may put it that way. Yes, because I don't know, appetites. I took bread, egg, you know, fruits. This is a fresh yogurt. This is of course yogurt, but it's not fresh. It's mixed with whatever flavor, banana, vanilla and others. This is sausage, butter and other things. So that's what my breakfast looks like. So I'm just gonna have it now. After then I'll try to give baby breast milk. Right now my breast has started coming out right from from yesterday I gave birth, but of course it's still showing the watery part of the breast, which they even said, the breast milk, which they even said that is even the most important part that the baby needs, so baby can pull out those black sheets in the tummy and all. So it's not fun right now. Pains, you know, people talk about giving birth, they don't talk about breastfeeding after giving birth. The contractions that you have when baby is sucking breast is another pain on its own. So right now, nipple pain, contraction pain, you know, everything all together. But I know the nipple pain, I think about 1 week time or something, it will come down from experience, and things start getting better and better. But the wahala children, that one will not get better, but God is in control anyway. So I'll just have my breakfast now, and I'll come back and talk to you guys. I would like to gist you guys how the birth, how what happened and everything, but maybe in a separate video or together in this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my last day in the hospital, so we're going home today. Yes, I and the baby, my husband, we're going home today. Baby has the final test today, collecting blood samples and every other thing today. Yes, so I'm kind of excited to go home. You know, just here is very relaxing as well, everything you want, but at the same time I would like to go home. So I just went to get my breakfast now, as usual. Let me show you guys. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. This is my milk, this is my juice, and yeah. So guys, that is my breakfast I just showed you guys. I don't know, there is nothing much to do today rather than what I just said. After eating my breakfast, I'll still go back to breastfeeding baby, then waiting for the time I'm supposed to go. Baby is here, baby is busy, relaxing. We didn't sleep throughout the night as usual, so she's relaxing, and besides she's about to take some medication now. She's about to take some medication. Sorry, she's about to take blood samples. So right inside her blanket she has so right inside the blanket she has this balloon warm water to warm up the place where they're going to, you know, put the injection on her. They told they will come in 8 o'clock this morning, so the balloon warm water has time to like soften the area and make it less painful, if I may say. So guys, there is nothing much to say today rather than being thankful for this journey, for this seamless pregnancy, and this seamless child delivery and health and the health of my baby. And I don't know, I'll see you guys when I get home. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home, or probably end the vlog here, then see you guys when I get home, or see you guys when I'm about to leave. So catch you